When it comes to Pisces strengths, we're talking about them being intuitive, compassionate, artistic, gentle, wise, and even having musical sense. Their weaknesses, however, they're very fearful. They're overly trusting, sad. Well, is that a isn't everybody sad sometimes? And they have a strong desire to escape reality. Pisces are very considerate, not really selfish. They would even sacrifice themselves just to have someone excel. Even though that's cool and nice, doing this can cause the lack of crisis awareness, which means that they will be hurting themselves and they don't even know it. They can lie out the ass of an elephant. And elephants are freaking huge. Not that I'm looking at elephant asses, because that's just, alright, that's the wrong example. Scratch that shit. Basically, I'm saying that elephants. Damn it. Basically, I'm saying Pisces can lie pretty damn well. These are the people that will trust you very easily. So do not ruin that image for them. You remember that person that owed you $5 in elementary school? I'm pretty sure that person was a Pisces. Most of them are not good with money. They can be very unconfident and even weak-willed. Unfortunately, these are the people that are most likely to fall into depression and can't even get out. So if you know someone like that, no matter who they are, what sign they are, strongly consider being there and do the best that you can to show them that they're not alone. I hope that you guys enjoy this quick bada bing bada boom toot boom boom type style of content. If so, I have the other zodiac signs in the exact same format, so do check it out. If you want to see something that's a little bit more in depth, I have a whole playlist describing each of the zodiac signs. Check that out too if you want. But until next time, matane.